Assalamu alaikum guys. Today in this short video lecture I will discuss how many bags of cement are required in 1 meter cube of M20 grade concrete. As you know guys, we use M20 grade concrete for the construction of beam, column and slab. So how many bags of cement are required in 1 meter cube of M20 grade concrete? So from this formula you can find for 5 meter cube concrete, for 10 meter cube, for 20 or more than this. Okay, so let's start guys. The video is short but it's very important. The topic is how many bags of cement are required in 1 meter cube of M20 grade concrete. So if this video is helpful for you, so don't forget to like this video. So guys, suppose in order to get 1 cubic meter of wet concrete, so I need to find quantity of cement. How many bags of cement are required for 1 cubic meter M25 grade concrete? Suppose I have 1 cubic meter wet concrete. So first of all, we will convert wet volume to the dry volume because we bring dry material from the market. Okay, so we need dry material. As you know guys, to convert wet volume to the dry volume, so we multiply with 1.54. We multiply the wet volume with 1.54 because wet volume increase 54% to get dry volume. Then we need dry material, that is 1.54 cubic meter. So now we will find the cement bag required for this volume in M20 grade concrete, right? As you know guys, the ratio of M20 grade concrete is 1:1.5:3. 1 part is cement, 1.5 part is sand and 3 part is aggregate. So sum of ratio become 5.5. Now what is the volume of cement required for 1 cubic meter concrete for M25 grade, which ratio is this one. So guys, we required cement. As you know, the concrete volume is 1.54 multiply 1 part is cement, and divided by sum of ratio, which is 5.5. So is equal, we required 0.28 cubic meter volume of cement and the volume of total concrete, that is 1.54. So total volume 1.54 multiply 1 part cement divided by sum of ratio 5.5, then we need 0.28 cubic meter volume of cement. Now guys, we know that unit weight of cement is 1440 kg per meter cube. This is the unit weight of cement in per meter cube. Okay, 1440 kg. Now how many kg of cement is required for 1 meter cube concrete, okay, in M20 grade? So the cement volume is 0.28, which is this one, multiply density of cement or unit weight of cement, which is 1440 kg. So now guys, we require 403.2 kg cement. And also guys, we know that 1 bag of cement is 50 kg. So how many bags of cement required? So numbers of cement bag. So total kg of cement divided by 1 bag of cement, which is 50 kg. So guys, we required 8.06 bags. So approximately we required 8 numbers of bags for 1 meter cube, 1 wet meter cube concrete of M25 grade, which ratio is this one. So guys, this is very useful. Okay guys, so this is a short video which I have discussed the front of you, that how many numbers of bags are required, cement bags are required in M20 grade concrete for 1 cubic meter. So if you have any question about this video, so you can comment. I will try to reply your answer. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.